Great.
So yesterday we had no cinnamon, and we did the cayenne challenge. And since we did so well at the cayenne challenge, we decided to recruit some friends and do the cinnamon challenge. 60 seconds without water. You first.
You can do that, bro.
All right. So we're going to do the countdown.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh. Water.
Mom.
What's the answer here? Swallow. How you doing, Jody? Swallow.
Mom, rinse it like mouthwash.
Check this out. Sergio's gonna pull it out. Jody. Swallow.
Well, that was fun.
Is he doing it? He's still doing it?
You have to
You
swallow.
have to swallow. You have to swallow it. Slowly. Take it slowly. You're not allowed to, Oh, yeah.
Oh, you all.
Oh!
That was
Over the rail!
good try. There
Oh! Brown spit! Yay! We're gonna have cinnamon growing all over this yard.
Yeah, a bunch of losers.
Woo!
Okay. Jody, good job.
Woo!
Maybe if you eat some bread, it'll go down.